Everyone, so just a quick video. I don't want to be a content creator. I don't want to be an influencer, but I do want to create some content because it's fun. So I'm going to start off with Lego because that's easy to create. Thank you for the one person who voted that I should do a carousel, but I've thought about that, and unfortunately some sets are just it's difficult. So I'm gonna do both videos and carousels because I understand people do not want to sit through a whole video, even though it's a short video. So I'm gonna start focusing on Lego. We have this joke in our family: once upon a time, not twice together. So I'm just gonna start focusing on Lego. So I'm gonna post one Lego set ASAP, and yeah, I hope you like it and it will inspire you to also be a Lego lover.